Hi guys, I'm Yosef, and welcome to YouTube Bear channel. Today's topic is how to make a good thumbnail in a phone app. I use an app called PixArt. In this video I will show you two types of thumbnail. One type would be of an educational video, and the second style for gaming. Follow me until the end of the video so you do not miss anything important. Enter the app and select a white background. You can also choose a different background color or image. I will show you how later in the video. To select the correct size for the thumbnail, click on Fit, then on Ratio. Then select the YouTube option. Now I will show you what I really like about this app. Sticker. Here I can choose the characters that will appear in the thumbnail and more full of stuff. Follow me. I'm looking for the bear that fits the thumbnail. Now you can see how to change the shape. Now go to text and write down what the video is about briefly. Its default color is white. I will show you how to change. After choosing a color and location, you can play with the text. I will show you some examples. Now I will add more text, only this time I will make it stand out to attract people to enter the video. If you want to see how I edit this video in the app on my phone, subscribe to the channel and write to me in the comments and I will upload it in my next videos. And now all that is left is to download the image to your gallery. Now let's move on to gaming thumbnail. Download a background image of your game on Google. Then select it in the app. Click on an effect and then click on blur. After that, you will go into the sticker and look for your game. You will have full options, just need to be creative. Follow me and get ideas.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
The text has a special font for gaming that I recommend. Subscribe to the channel for my bear. Write down something interesting that will stand out to people. And your thumbnail is ready. If you liked the video and it helped you, subscribe to my channel.